Welcome to experiment number 4 of Chemistry 101 Lab. So today we're going to go ahead and go over electrical conductivity. Now the first thing you need to know for this experiment is that there's not that much experimental procedure that you're going to have to follow, but you should know some concepts. The first one is what causes conductivity. Now conductivity, as you'll read in your lab notebook, is caused by mobile charges. And if something allows charges to flow freely within it, it is a conductor. Now we can classify things as conductors, semiconductors, or non-conductors, or insulators. And usually we're going to go ahead and classify the different types of elements and the different types of molecular compounds in one of these classifications. Now, for your three main types, metals, semi-metals, and non-metals, metals are going to be usually strong conductors, and we know this. If you take a steel fork and you plug it into an electrical outlet, you're probably going to electrocute yourself. That's because metals are very conductive. Semi-metals, they are usually semiconductors, and we'll use these types of things, such as in electronics, we'll use like silicon chips to have something that doesn't have an overabundance of electricity, but can, kind of move around and get a little bit of charge flowing through. Now, a non-conductor is usually classified, or excuse me, a non-metal is usually classified as a non-conductor, which is also an insulator. Now, there are exceptions to these rules, but in general, metals are conductors, semi-metals are semiconductors, and non-metals are insulators. Now, if we look at the different mixtures of compounds, say if we have mixtures of metals, which are alloys, those are typically going to be conductors. If it is something such as an ionic compound, if it is solid, it is typically going to be a non-conductor. If it is a liquid, then it will usually conduct because the charges are now able to flow freely. If it's a molecular compound, where you have a metal bonded with a non-metal, even if it's in the liquid form, typically those are going to be non-conductors. All right, that is pretty much it for the concepts in this lab. Your instructor is going to go over it a little bit more. If you have questions, go ahead and email them or contact them in lab. For now, we'll go ahead and wrap up this video and catch you next time.